affecting me in some way because now uncle for ejuma ne in your man. It was being affected. The same Ghanaians na ebinum eka unyomo amuntimi nkọ ejuma because now the nenye general so obi a stop e na bi mu ye edwet say nurses ne frontliners. It's not our fault say obi anye nurse. So they are getting
Mamo akoba shronko eba too much GH FDAS so munia bana na ama owusu afela lady ensem sipe na majunwe dwa na tese mediemu enchire mu na ebre mu nesa ebusuafo Ghana has been set on an apparatus egofo dodo na ebeje wo mu ne ekasa etia de ekoso ewo oman mu na nipa bako wode na no ato ensem no emu bi eye queen of comedy akompreko efia Schwarzenegger wakasa o se what did the air cost for Ghana ha? Nyema bi wo ha wonti ase. Ghana ha ever since a year your secondary school for no final students no Akufo-Addo Shemra your president President Nana Akufo-Addo Shemra say woman sansa machi enko back to school na te say woman prepare for mo final exams no. Every day bia yet record of a year COVID-19 positive cases no e was school no bi enche bia Accra girls for the woman numbers but two dramaters wo for no e go board on pemo school so woman prekra mama mani enko so kra ntra school bi mama be say woman no emre fie e ma ye mpanifo yi bia sa ababonti be kaseti ayem ebiem so aside that no other schools so ababonti a honum to cases I recorded wo home and no na efia Schwarzenegger yi ababonti abeka sedabi Mampeni se wonte ya ene wo kire ma kire no se de ekọ no eyi akowie bonimu wonu emu Nana Akufo-Addo ye mampeni ohun se COVID-19 etwa no ahia pe ene onu akasa ma no 14 days self isolation wako Ghana for yanka hwe ebiemu so empeni form o man mu ka chief justice ebiemu minister of health honorable Peter McMenu ono so wadini baby afakra o se wa bre krampo no kra kan play Adenti na enkofo mpenifo we mohun say ya we eye real na hutusu aso eso na mama kwan finance ministry ya close it down chief justice office ya close it down na nyema say ekoso na mo de mo ye hyehan say nkola no enkoso ewo skumo because of final exams ya renu bi so recorded ewo skumo na nkola no krampo nyefie ene omu fiko skumo no mu fifie krampo na COVID-19 no already ewo man nti adenti na still na o mampeni hyehan say nkola no remain wo school mo no so wonti ase kranti mampeni be ya wo man nkola nyansa mre fie no metre o ma wo fonche exams de ye ntro enko heaven obi no otro exams enko heaven nti exams no ekoti o ma enko wie boni bia mu nti be ya mampeni ema kwan na nkola no emre fie ye kwa video yi ye ba ye be kasa
Mosho
Kala
Ministry of Health Siatum
Ministry of Finance
Siatum right boss Siatum Judiciary for so no Chief Justice Oko Omapenny was self isolation Kolebu doctors said they are serious no omonje ayare for abm and then apo kasa wo kwame sefa shows no or say yare ne bakwa hu style yare ne be den ebe chill officers yare ne ba en yatum but yare na TS school ba Ghana mpanyimfo se moja na moji anu ma moma ye hu what because akwala no wu ye no whether corona or not ni moja wa monsem akwala no to school mo ba wi wo mo anade moji de try moya masem try sa sha woni twaba aden ya kuma ya
Mesa so mamo akoba shrinko ebiem Miss Sabina ena ete min saben kumso na Miss Mercy onu ade so monim nenim de dada okasa bum 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 na asem nya e ba ko pe plane no aka na okọ Miss Sabina mesha ase ewo so Ghana fonia tese menka say Ghana for dodo ena e kan nsem we say ebe yanka SS for na omako school omko chomo exams nka ban makwan no musamre fie biem because yare no adu omachi akosukun amata say cases aba ho nti senka obi enye bi na tese be spread na ye nsem pi na nka omom nya embre fie na obi ametra na wo fo nchen eno no odwen ho sen
me dwen ho say it depends say cases about that because before COVID they were before better say me hu say obi anya bi na je send back on ni omo wo order that I infected the others. Until be all be exposed. Won't me who ya when you be near assign and sign into a bear say if parents be an aqualan and old drain and was say ya rabbit me a can. The only thing I bet my any say on bed test or moon answer. So almost me a general testing, no more say, oh, where will be where any even that no compose me trust because a bit like I said there. Won't be but a biana and starting show ye.
O symptoms
It will
no
be
mind.
anti-parents no one would do but not so beefy, but at the same time, I say recognize a Yarian elho. Obano will be the beefy. Oh, I collabo, oh, mamma, oh, the vulnerable some no more of you, and I did now. A mono moon and come one as no more, no more fee. And this Obano also the opposite of beefy, but oh, beer or beefia and yan embow. And no air money be an answer be so beefy and said. Oba ona down for be dia go hu kola mo abonten still obi no ya kana hye so be fie kwan pa still okwa abonten ene nkofo dia agro enti e depend say ya test your mom say oh sa omo mo be fie say omu ni ebi eni omo ho ena wo parents no oba won chen no kwan po what makes you think say also ebi eni fie
Okay, that's very nice. Miss Mercy Bremu kakra den na odwen e fa won kofo mo company say ye man kola no emre fie no mo tese wo mro ma wo fo nchen
me de ma dwen kire ni sanka be ya omo mbre fie omo ti wo sa ye den
omo ko kire exams omo prepare for exams
na exams ni owuo obi wu a otimi kire exams
o da bi
okay enti owu ana mfa so be na abaso na eduro ya abe yare ya abe ni eduro enti ebo eno ani se wo ye den na ebi ani se school mo esi se mistress ahye obi ba branti a won the final year ono enyame ibe ya adom ma we wie school mo abenye ejuma bi aye de aboa na ebusuan kakaka wa ma na ewu free omuti wo sa aye den but me de ma se ma me kan se some because obefia ebi bi dra doso eni enim tree no no ma ne no na ye ka osano
esa nya ka ubi
esa na osano
ene dai
ai enti osano na kenya no obata na enim nya ne babedi eba ne sa no nim ni obeya ne ba ni benya ahoto anase yare ni bi e wo ne so krampa ebeko na school mo no tisa na mistress ni teachers obi won woda obi won benya yefo an ba ni bi o enti oni sa abadaye no ebi anso obi ahwe obi ama we lose ne ba branti enti na na ye pa wo chow ye pa we de estre ye dwane to no na wo de aka me ne wo aba we de ye bibi fa ho
ye bibi fa ho
lockdown second they say oh my Ghana because you are really spread ye hu amane.
That's nice. Miss about to be embarrassing no Miss Sabina who ka sembi say be yank ye mom nka o the way who cheche wunsem no it's like it was a bad idea in the first place say mampeni e mom ko back to school.
Not necessarily. Embassy say before me go school nka say mo ye general testing. Because near we see and when you be now, when you go so mo di fie na mo de call ye. Enti that one was the best decision. Nka say nka mom at least mom ko try and they should have tested them. Nka some mom time film say 2 weeks we say test you mo ne hu say because I didn't say na no akofa do when you be now. Wako isolating no say I'm testing now or onam ho anka npakwa onye bi na ohun say why exposed nti wako na isolation say yan test san nimpa na anka still all spread it
Good
enti nka the best thing is before anka mbeko no since enye the whole school no mo bie na ye oma mo cho exams they could have tested them and so mo beko because what they as much as so beka say oh omo use to face mask omo ro mo sana. Human beings, we cannot trust ourselves. Those things are bound to happen. Obi funny face mask, obi anyewe, all those things can say precaution, can some take answer on the school. But ya berry, and I see our school and obi. They have to take the necessary some mobile few camper. I said they have to test them. I said because jam mama be fear. They are coming to people. And it say when you be no obia exposed. Uni my dear was so unim nya ni na chia unim nya wa ye ni say omno mo school unim nya course. Enti so mo be fear, so mo take precaution. The same beginning, you know, before me lockdown, obi ba ye quarantine or make sure so ni bia say Ghana bagana Accra kromo no. They should do that to the student too.
They should do that to the student too. Miss Mercy, ukase mampiri le wangata ola ya na onu ntite ze wonja nkla na mo mbrefie na wo tire no. Na wo mu be fie o ma wo fo be jinse na Mr. Bina kai. O ma wo fo be ji o mo wo si yensa o mo yensa na wo sa na ade yare one to another contact say like ye ben me fiu na metimi de ama me no kasa metimi de ama ntimi awofo na ma be fa me ba na be fiu no. It's probably possible say me awofo can me 40s 50s and then said they are the ones at the high risk vulnerable ones. It is a be fa oba because of ayem hihye now do ba ni ko fie say ukosa na wo ye na wo nye bia now to apply the same treatment and it doesn't take for you because we don't have any cure. What do you do then? Okay. Would it be the best?
Okay, me that was no question. Yeah, really, you know your frontliners. I am frontliners. I'm say frontliners. Niko ya wo for no more because omu take it direct come market kodija. Ma before take it direct echo market kodija. Ejuma ye for take it direct cause serving amount for. So we are all frontliners. Okuno bi akubi. Enye nurses nko ana mu gina yarewe ya no. Na le me pese me kan try to say point of correction man kasi na now ye me body me respect no because of the position na owo no. Enye obi an ebetimi akowo. And na nimde ade bi o ye bi a bold decision o taking so I respect we bi o obi an na me de mano. But ye ti America say ye de omo ba ne say ye frontliners me dem aka say enye nurses from kwa ye na ye come market ye exposed to this sickness. But at the end of the day ye nya de bia but how do we treat it? Ghana ha ye ka say be testing nipa bebro manya. Me na me ka me kire figure na e wo ho no esa ebe ye benya be ne triple ana say ne quadruple because people have gotten it but just that is the grace and omuye nyo maybe no man recover. Yes, enti then e mo recover yare na wedru enti ye can say oko form or the omo matena won obenya edru amom still the spread will go on who the omo ba na so mwenya before who the ombeba nyam person na say yanka e bi otu ana mo so be taxi omo omenya no na wa sort omo out omo nya ye ne nso na enyo omo aye den abefie but for the meantime no efie no aya na awofo bi wo mutimi nya nimdie bi omo di betimi ama se akola na nya bi crampo na etimi come dem gidi se bebre nya bia ekọ just that they don't come out mama fo hu se mimi nya bi
and omo nko for test no crampo
bi kwa nya bi I recover but
they don't even know say omo nya enti this hour no yenjina entatemu ntutu entatia u take decision bi echina ansa na be hu implication e we chire enti mitimi kasa na decision o take here no enye what must a bold decision or take it so they need their certificate. They still have to let life go on. They still have to do something for themselves. And this certificate and their life is being delayed. And say also they should do something for these children. Anything Nana came up with. Anything so if you know so intimidate Nana, the American Rebia will be as so new. Yambano, any animal no, or when ya really be. And I see I sort it out in Tema. It's in the say one is a solution because the decision is they would take a bold decision, but you can still do something about it.
You can still do something about it. Ekofo ka say, ye president Yera Nana Akufo-Addo opentem due to a year outside influence from other political parties because nema ekosono it is rather aggravating the situation. Say nka the first steps of taking yourself go obeka ya share them lockdown on kenumo kra boy ma yetimi e contacting ko form nya bi no but o ma kwan ma obi e lockdown obi atimi ko bebi na no ama spread na track ko bebi anti ni those decisions will make here later on no and na assembly can make everything go bad. What do you think about that too?
Oh, this COVID no the solution will be enough. and they'll make a decision where they mention a different story. Are they new area?
Maybe I think data me make it because Medical Association of Ghana almost say your left restrictions no. They came out to say it was not in their best interest. They were not called upon to help in the decision making. But since your president and our country, they can't do anything about it. Meaning say it was not the best, but they had to agree.
I think he's trying to Ghana focus say oh lockdown when even after they lifted the lockdown, say everybody should self-isolation, social distancing. And no po, how many people are obeying? And go for say president nko entimi ye bibia. Unya yare aba. Ema unim say yare we yenye bi unim say edro anyone no. Unim pa no say president kwa anyone na wakasa to ho ase kwa. Ese wakasa hu say we hwe ho yi.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't need law be image now so say tinefie because at the end of the day no one can agent one say. But say a part. Now log or try other solution about lockdown or left here. I agree with him in some way because now uncle for ejuma ne in your man. It was being affected the same Ghanaians na ebinum eka unyomo amuntimi nko ejuma because now the nenye general so obia stop ne bi mo ye say nurses ne frontliners. It's not our fault say obia nye nurse. So they are getting paid. Everybody they are doing their best and we recommend them for their hard work. But ebinum were allowed to work and ebinum entimi enye ejuma. Now obo a onye ne aduane odi daily way. When pia onye aduane ndi. And feeding alone and apart over even during the lockdown na mom aduane it's not enough. Obi opeso ye bibi man ho. What means na faith say ne mba be hwen ma twen and they won't supply aduane na enti. Oh, said that me pay aduane mama me pay aduane twen president na be aduane. Some kind of pride be anko for some person be man akọ.
Okay.
Enti all those things needs to be considered. Enti na the ain't mean a perfect solution. Whatever comes up now, we all have to work with it.
Okay. Even if it's putting us at risk, no, we have to work with it.
No, it's only at risk based on our behavior too.
Okay.
Say or you know what say in economic wise say ebia na ye lockdown na wuntimi nye adwuma nti wuntimi nye aduane wuntimi enye we opese we ko adwuma opese we say wuntimi nya sane man no problem but say na ya left say we how many people are obeying the social distancing and mo say mo pese mo ye adwuma I'm sorry mo pese mo ye adwuma but ye ka say mo ko ye adwuma mo bo mo ho ban so a eno so mo ndi so there's nothing make us say solution enye perfect but it depend on ya so
it depend on ya so also the enko for ekikan uno mo ya adwen
Ghana me ni Ghana for enye adwen o me njin to move akompo Ghana for ye kasa o man Ghana ni eni mani say bo ni akan ne fala sa ye ntimi nya ho hwen so ye papa nanado Emro lock it down. One tick as I do ni Ghana.
What am I?
One to say Ghana for ya no mo sorry and an Jane and I was sorry Johnny to be now we had the break your for the Kasapa and a bimu in an answer when be a party and they'll come with the woo and a bimu to sell no and your more dear like a bit so mukuno them into sebe. And your way you might in an left it. After another lefty, and so I must say another now lefty now why my eye exposed to the sickness. Me na me come chill. We were supposed to come out of fear. When himself fear money pay stagnant. And we have to overcome that fear. So that's the decision Nana took. Say, life still goes on. At this hour, we will say normal hour. No, so we taking the last time I said so taking measures put in place, serious, and add spiritual backing to it, because we are not in normal times. Enti nana one you take a bold decision because economy no say ekoye ebi mu adwuma asay because of lockdown ebi mu ekomo di omo complaining because of lockdown enyoma na freeze because of lockdown enti imagine say nana lifting lockdown anka bia egusu lockdown up to now enti imagine say how the saying na Ghana be
saying na Ghana be me be say masem kra twa to us nkofo keka but say prophet kum chacha kra be ke say enti say afi we say ya hold elections na biem so no ya hold examinations ni te say nyama involve crowd te say voters registration ya bi ni nyama keka ho would it hurt the country as a whole? Would it go against the country? Because in Gofon say while there's such a big problem like this that we are facing, we are not even getting any headway away from the situation, but still no, we are endangering our people. Registrations, easy registration, Gofon go school for a year on final exams. You see, what would this nation miss if we don't vote this year or write exams?
This thing can I make with my friends. Say I don't know the significance of that December election. And yes, specific dates be yes special be vote here like it has some kind of history behind it. It's just a normal date that they set to vote. Okay. There's nothing special about it. So we can vote in July, we can vote in September, we can vote in October. Nobody cares. As long as a country we come together to agree to it, we can vote at any time. Any day that we set to vote will be special to us because we made that decision. It's not a general law. Enti mi hu at the point of political parties omuntimi emba together say yetimi postpone elections not to until say we in the best set so at least you say there's cure so government can say the more to first they are not doing enough. Election then it's not something that's gonna solve what is happening. Okay. And all the political parties have to come together and agree and postpone it. Nobody should think about them say 4 years and they say official na me back. Like that's not what is needed right now. Okay. It's about life and that's what we are all fighting for. It's not even about politics. It's not about anyone. Obiankwa ehia sesia nti Ghana per say the party we say person me call for ba obia onipa ba otimi change anything about COVID na yakoso. Okay. It will always be there whether which party is on, it will always be there. And obia no the solution be ba e be ma yare no atiako nti we penye be boa Ghana for as a whole. Enti and some more back together now mo dwene ho no mo postpone all these things. Last me share primaries nya ade na omo address for me share na throughout mo go we are winning ye na they were jubilating everywhere. Police for agent na ho no mo hage omo ho no mo ye we obi jan interview no mo say kasa go mo say no ma nothing me who so be sanitizing no. They were hugging each other. I just have agent nimpa no mo say there was no social distancing there. When they gave the results they were jubilating, there was no social distancing. There were police there. Meanwhile, the same police will see a fellow Ghanaian on the street. Now I'm harassing so share face mask on your way. Is it selective? Some protect you at anywhere. Those some conform on war or they should ask America when they're doing the spring break and the children went there when they came back yare no ekoso numbers no ekoso because of group now meeting into at a group setting no some take precaution into that's what I'm saying all these things can be postponed and it's not what we need as a nation.
It's not what we need as a nation. Miss Mercy odo won sem ni eba ewie no de yenua ba Miss Abina aka no dwen won sem
ni America ni na ne say aya yempenifo no mutimi ye selfish yempenifo no mutimi ye selfish because we understand it some of the humanity too first. I think say it wouldn't be like this because me I've thought of near all kana say a communication na I say when person me ba power So why are they in hurry to come to power? And now why are they not going in agreement? Because of our personal interest. Oga they chop am manya chafo. Yes, they want that. Let me see. NDC for supporting NDC for wrongdoings. Why? Because of at the end something go for my pocket. If the NPP are there and now say for NPP supporting around him, even though say then because of what the individual will get. But don't forget, say you can agree on one thing and put humanity first. Say our life will not be at risk. When we are not there, you are not there. And the money you put first, now that money is not going with you.
Good.
But the good thing you will do will follow you every day and even for eternity. Me the American say, yeah, papa no good name, better than riches. Enti mumfa yento first. Na muma communication embra muntem because I know say NDC coming out now can say no, NPP stay on power because this time is not normal and we cannot break the life of our people. I think say NPP will also buy that. And just in your maybe on that in place no, they will take it from the system. Enti me pamocho ye papa no mo. Your life and we here. The life of human being and we here. Enti muma ye ho free mu na ye pe ene nya free say be any power ye pe na ye mfa ye pe oman Ghana any oman Ghana ba emba ento first na me gidi say we yes so nyame so be hia ma we nya kwan enkwatenten na wan yes so dia wonu nyame asem
Mr. Bina, any final words no for the nation and name 24
the meeting can say they say we had time. Enya de obi tumi susu yen se 2020 say na beye enim se enya de wo obi a plan mu nti eti o masese o solution e bi enye perfect but at the end of the day no we are all as a nation then everything that they are doing so omo dwen yen ho a we will support them
we will support them. Oba Mercy, any final words for the nation?
Oh, me benefo oman Ghana unity is power muma yen do ye ho na yemejidi se ye de enkabo mutu anamo a oman Ghana beji 1924 muma enkabo enye ejuma
Omuma enkabom enye ejuma ebusuafo enetei aha ene de yakomo twetwe no ebesi kan hu ne se adwentwe bia support ana se even experience bia wo bia no betimi e di atudwa e wotuma GH comment section hono no na ebiem so no hye so obetimi a share video we dia ma obi bia adofo ebusuafo no no so etimi afemu aba follow yen e wo yen Instagram page @tumagh_. Me dey na ama owusu a ene day me Miss Sabina ene ebiem so no Miss Mercy na esi nkonya ka ensema ekoso e wo manhu that's na ebesan edi enhemu biem makramu
fitiani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic zana prophet kumichacha masesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe